woman's name is Lakshmi Bala. She is Indian born, but she has been abroad since childhood. And now she is based out of Australia. She is into Facebook advertisement. And you will be surprised to know she is in her early 20s. So let's talk to her and find out.
I'm about to invite India's first Passionpreneur mentor. Let's put your hands together for the one and only Mr. Dev Gadhvi.
Well, hello there, Lakshmi. How are you? I am good. I'm here joined by other Passionpreneur community. Awesome people I'm here. Say hello to Lakshmi. Okay, very interesting. So now what you're doing is you're working with businesses, helping them with their Facebook campaigns. Is that exactly what you're doing?
Yeah, and a little bit of consulting on the side as well. Yeah.
Okay. So how your journey has been in last 1 year? Tell us, how was it easy? Was it difficult when you started?
So when I first started, I didn't know anything about business, as in how to start a business by myself. I didn't know anything about tax. I just didn't know anything. A lot of it was to just Google it, YouTube it, and ask my friends. And my journey so far, so the first 6 to 12 months was a lot of a learning curve. I had to understand how to resonate with business owners. I had to understand, because a lot of the time I seemed quite young, and these business owners have been in business for like 30 plus years. So I had to understand how to hold my authority.
Okay. Well, I think there's a lot of questions I can sense in the room, and one of that question is, how much money do you make? How much money do you charge? What is your average ticket rate? Like, what is an average customer size like?
Okay, so when I first started, I was charging $997 per month. And shortly after, within 6 months, we increased prices to $1,500 a month. And then now we're at $2,500 a month, but we'll soon be increasing up to the 3,800 mark, 3,500 to 3,800 mark within the next 2 months.
Wow, so going from 1,000 to 300 times more, within 1 year?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. So that's just for one client, 1 month, right?
Yeah.
So
we sign a 3-month agreements. 3-month agreements, and the first 3.
Okay, so let's just do a quick calculation. A lot of people, I'm sure, are crunching the numbers now. So how much is the $3,000 in rupees? So let's do the quick math, okay? So guys, 3,000 into 2 lakh rupees, right?
US dollar.
Yeah, US dollars, yes. So let's say 2 lakh, one customer, 1 month. How much in a year? 24 lakhs? One customer pays 24 lakhs. How many of us make 24 lakhs in a year as a package? Very few, okay? Now multiply that one customer with 10 clients. How much money do you make? 2.4 crores, round of applause. So I was just giving them the feel of what it feels like when you have a scalable business. And I know for sure you're not restricted to work from one place, are you?
No, not so.
Okay, so guys, when going back to the slide, you can clearly imagine Lakshmi sitting on that beach with the computer, okay, and just the business goes on, okay? It is possible, it is